Alex Van Halen was your introduction and said, you know, that's kind of what I want to do. Did you want to play in a rock band?
Yeah, I mean that's what I did. Like right off the bat, I played with a few bands, and I was also in school band, jazz band, marching band, concert band. But then I also had my own thing. It was mainly like rock and metal bands and stuff like that. Like learning how to do all that double bass stuff. Like Vinnie Paul style with my feet. That was when I was in high school. I did as much as I possibly could, and I got based off of advice from a very unlikely source, which was the guy I bought my first drum set off of. It was a used Ludwig, not a great instrument, but it was mine. And I coveted this thing for so long before I actually got it. But the guy I bought it from, he just gave me some casual information, which was just, don't limit yourself to one style of music. I took that as like, all right, that's worthwhile advice. And I didn't know why I shouldn't follow that advice. And I loved a lot of styles of music. So it seemed to be consistent with what I probably already would have done anyway. And it just kind of was an external confirmation of like, do a lot of stuff, do as much as you can, because it's still playing.
Did you have long hair back then?
Longer.
Thank you for watching the Broadway Drumming 101 YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified when a new video is released.